So guys, today we're gonna play the Don't Press the Button 4. My cousin played this game when I was studying without him, so that's why it's in here. What do you mean? It's a parkour. Bro, what? How am I supposed to? Oh, it's a dinky. It's a dinky. Okay. Boom, I'm splash. Boom. Then wait for that block. Boom, boom. Wait for this block. Then wait for this. Oh my god. I want to start right there. Yo, I know. Yo, no! Bro, I died. Man, this game. Oh man, imagine I reached that. Okay, boom, boom. Why did I keep falling down, bro? That's so funny. Boom. Bro. What the hell? What is happening? Bro, what the hell? Bro, what the hell? The microphone. Where? Where? Oh, umbrella. Oh my god! What the? We got toxic, bro. I guess. Oh my god! What the hell? What is that? Bruh. Man, I hate staying up here. It reminds me of breaking my neck. Wait. Fine. Just kidding. I thought you guys thought that he wasn't happy, but he's not. Probably. What is this first? Spin. No. Whatever. No. Quickly get to the top. Bro, why? Bro, what the hell did I do? This is hard. This is Jan. Move! Bro, man. Oh, my cousin's so good at this game. Like, bro. Why is my cousin so good at this game for some reason? Don't fall off. Why? Ow. Yo! Oh, that's how the game plays. Okay. I was about to say played for some reason. Yo, this is like an easy round. This is easy. Oh, we need to go deep. Okay, oh, we're going here. This is so easy, bro. Bro, this is like a pattern. Honestly, why the? Oh my god! No, that was so close. This game ain't easy anymore, bro. This game ain't easy anymore. Oh my god! How am I alive? No! What? I survived! Bro. What the? Come on! You didn't tell me he's gonna spawn right there, bro. Bro. That's cool. Bro, why is this going? Oh, oh my god, I already hate this game. Bro. How about we play press the button 3? Let's see. Yeah, there's the normal thingy. Play. Oh, nice. Ooh. What's going on here? Is this a pot? Why is my head 5 times bigger than my head? Oh, Remember, bro? That's mine, bro. That's mine. I found it first. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go trick-or-treating. Sorry, I'm a Muslim. I don't go trick-or-treating. No. I don't want to go trick-or-treating. Thank you. I don't want to go trick-or-treating, bro. I'm a Muslim. I do not go trick-or-treating. Bro. This stupid game, bro. Come here. I'm gonna press it first before you, bro. What? It's Roblox thingy. Rubber duckies. Rubber duckies. Rubber duckies. Rubber duckies. Nothing. Bro, the rubber duckies. Come here, rubber duckies. Bro, this game hates me, bro. Rubber duckies, bro. Oh, I got one. I see one rubber ducky. Stop rubber ducky. One rubber ducky. Oh, I got two. Oh, give me that rubber ducky. Are you little shit? You little shit, bro. Give me the butter, bro. Give me the butter. What is this? Yo, I don't want help! I don't want to get eaten. No, I don't want to get eaten. No. Where the hell am I now? Am I all cooked? Yo. What's going on? I don't want to get pooped. I want to get pooped. Oh, I got pooped out. Let's go, bro. I got pooped out. Oh, now there's a poop on my face. Man, I love that. Well, this is my butter, you little shit. Stranded. Find logs to make a bridge. What kind? Oh, those logs, okay. That's mine, bro. That's mine. Okay. Oh. That bridge area thingy. Oh my god, I almost fall down, bro. We got a log here. We're creating it, bro. We're creating it. That's the power of friendship, bro. Let's look in some free. Bro. I appreciate that. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Bro, what is that guy walking? That's my button, bro. That is mine. I press, bro. Bombs. Yo, what kind of bombs? Yo, what kind of bombs? Yo, I'm pushing this girl. bro. I'm pushing this girl. Yo. I'm a savage, bro. Yo! No! I fell off the edge, bro. I'm so stupid. Let me out! Bro, let me, you know what? Subscribe and bye-bye.